In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the feature preview on GitHub effectively and efficiently. Whether you're new to the platform or just trying to streamline your experience, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and ease, ensuring you leave confident in your ability to navigate these settings. So let's jump right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your GitHub dashboard. This is your main hub on the platform where you can access all your repositories and begin this brief process. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu that contains a variety of options related to your account settings. From the drop-down, you'll want to select the option labeled Feature Preview. This section is specifically designed to let you try out new features being tested on the platform, but today we're going to focus on disabling them. Now, once you've clicked into Feature Preview, take a moment to look at the left-hand side of the screen. You should ensure you're in the section labeled New Commit Details page. If you're not already on this page, simply click to navigate there. On the New Commit Details page, you'll notice an option up in the top right corner, a button that says Disable. Clicking this button will effectively turn off the feature preview, bringing you back to the standard experience you prefer to use. By disabling this feature, you have more control over your interface and experience, allowing you to work in a familiar and streamlined environment without the distraction of experimental tools. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully disabled the feature preview on your GitHub account. This easy adjustment can make a big difference in how efficiently you navigate and manage your projects. Remember, it's helpful to periodically check your account settings and feature preferences to ensure they're aligned with how you want to work on the platform. I hope this guide has been helpful, offering a smooth and clear walkthrough of the process. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to review this video anytime. Thanks for joining me and happy coding on GitHub.